very long way to cooking time with Ryan and Steven.
We're gonna be making buffalo chicken.
So let's get started. Alright, now you're gonna need a pan like this.
Once you do that, you're gonna want to heat up your stovetop to about 5 or 6, about halfway of the top heat that it can go. Now you're gonna need some butter for some lubrication. So you're gonna need a knife. Any type of knife is fine. Any type of knife at all. But you're gonna need a big ass motherfucking knife. Now you're gonna want to cut your butter. Get a nice bit, just size it up. Put it in the pan so it can start boiling and melting and be all nice and delicious. Blowjobs.
Alright, next step, you gotta keep the butter moving around all of it. Get all of it wet and slippery. And get it all lubricated. And now, after you get all of it moving around and stuff, you're gonna want to come over here and get the hot sauce. So you're just gonna want. So you're gonna get the hot sauce and you're gonna put it in. This is how much you're gonna want to put in. Make enough that covers the plate, and then a little bit. Keep spreading around the butter and just keep it all nice and steady. And it should be tasty in a little bit. Now you're gonna want to put it back.
And keep that shit moving. Yeah.
Guest starring Corey.
Okay, now we take out our 2 chickens and then put them on this lovely plate right here. Pick up the plate, open up the microwave, put it in there, shut it to 0, 0, start!
Kitchen.
Big Mama's kitchen. Hell yeah.
Okay, we're about almost done. 7 seconds left. 6 seconds. I'm at 5, 4. Okay, we take that out. Plate's not hot. Good. Put it right here onto this sexy wooden thing. Now, Ryan, you can take it over from here.
Thanks,
You're welcome.
Corey. Now, this will make about 2, maybe 3 buffalo chicken sandwiches. By the time that you're all cooked and deliciousness, it should look about like that. And it's ready to put over the chicken.
Thanks, Corey.
Now, since it's ready, you're going to want to turn off your stovetop, and it'll slowly cool down, which is good, so they can like marinate and whatnot. Now you're going to want to stab that chicken right through the heart. You're going to plop it down in here. You're going to rub-a-dub-dub in the sauce. Then you're going to want to flip it, which in my mind is technically the hardest part of this thing. Come on. Oh, no. Didn't get it up. Oh, there we go.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, rub-a-dub-dub again. Now, you got it covered in the sauce. Now that you're covered in the sauce, you're going to want to put it on a plate. Honestly, if you had a sandwich roll ready, it would probably be better. So you can just put it right on the sandwich roll. Once you're starting to run out of sauce, you might want to tip the pan so you can easily rub-a-dub-dub in the sauce even better. And remember, you gotta flip it. Oh, didn't flip it. Didn't flip it.
Take out the chicken. Put them on a plate. Now, to make the buffalo chicken extra good, you're gonna need a side appetizer. So let's get some chips on the table.
Some people might also even prefer cheeses and or lettuces to put on top of their chicken and their sandwich. Maybe even some random sauces to go with it.
Cheese is good.
Yeah. Tacos.
What is love?
Now that you have your finished product of a delicious chicken wrapped completely covered in this delicious sauce, you're going to want to put it in a nice roll.
Thanks
for
watching. Make sure to subscribe.
Every day I'm shuffling. Shuffling.
Okay, now you're gonna want to put the bud back.
Oh my god.
Now you're gonna want to. It's so hard.
Oh my.
I had it.
Can't do it.
Plug your ears or something.
I just did.
Now you're gonna want to put it back.